Hello kids, we are learning about the anatomy of the GI tract today. The gastrointestinal tract, also known as the digestive system, is a long tube that starts at the mouth and ends at the anus. It is responsible for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. The GI tract consists of several organs: the mouth, the esophagus, the stomach, the small intestines, the large intestine, also known as the colon, the liver, and the pancreas. So food enters the digestive system through the mouth. Here, teeth chew and grind food and add saliva produced by the salivary glands and moistens it. The esophagus is a muscular tube that connects the mouth to the stomach. It transports chewed food in the stomach through a process called peristalsis. So your food does not fall into your stomach. It contracts and relaxes. It constricts, relaxes. Contract, relax. Contract, relax. Contract, relax. After your food gets into the stomach. The stomach is a J-shaped organ that stores food temporarily and continues the digestive process. Stomach acid and enzymes help break down food into a semi-liquid mixture called chyme. The small intestine is where most of the digestion and the nutrients are absorbed. It's divided into three parts: the duodenum, the jejunum, and the ileum. The large intestine absorbs water and electrolytes from the remaining undigested food. It converts into feces. It consists of the cecum, the colon, and the rectum. The liver produces bile, which is stored in the gallbladder. Bile helps break down fats in the small intestine. The pancreas produces digestive enzymes and hormones such as insulin to help regulate blood sugar levels. So as we see, the digestive system functions through a series of coordinated processes. It helps ingest food, where food is taken down into the mouth, where it's broken down into smaller pieces by chewing. And then digestive enzymes, stomach acid, and bile break down food into nutrients that can be absorbed. Carbohydrates, proteins, and fats are the main types of nutrients. The small intestine is responsible for absorbing nutrients into the bloodstream. Nutrients are transported to cells in the body for energy and growth. Peristalsis is the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of muscles in the GI tract that moves food and waste along the digestive system. And then elimination is important. Undigested food and waste are eliminated from the body as feces through the rectum and anus. And then there's the hormonal control. Hormones such as insulin and glucagon regulate blood sugar levels, while other hormones control appetite and digestion. So in summary, the gastrointestinal tract is a complex system responsible for breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and eliminating waste. It involves several organs and coordinated processes to ensure our bodies get the energy and nutrients they need to function properly.